Hello friends, I am Champion Mahipal. Today we are going to learn about getting and using the checkbox values in PHP. So now we are going to learn this with the help of very simple example. For this we have to first create a HTML form. Okay, so now here is the coding for this HTML page. It is the head part which just contains the title, then in the body. The main thing is in the body. We have to create the form. So here is the starting of the form, which contains two attributes. One is action method and another is action. Method we have selected post as our method. Okay, and in action we have used send cb.php. It means when we click on the submit button, it takes us to the send cb.php page for further action. Okay, then we have used the field set. In this we have done, we have used legend in which we have written select some products. It means now we are going to create the checkbox in which we can select several products. So here are some checkbox. Input type checkbox. Then what we need to do, we have to give the name. Name should be like the array, because we have to get multiple values in a single name. So we will write these square brackets after the name. So we have written products and then these square brackets. Name for the group of checkbox should be same, because we want to get the name. We are going to use the name to get the value of the group of checkbox. Okay, then we have to give the value. If this checkbox is selected, what value should go to the next page? We are have given here printer, and after that we have written printer, because the user know that if he selects printer, okay, then he have to click on the checkbox. Then another checkbox is laptop. For laptop, here we have given the same name, that is products, because it is in the same group, and then value is equal to laptop. And another is for computer, product name is same, that is products, and value is computer. Then we have created the simple submit button, and then the form and body ends. Okay, simple HTML form. Now what we need to do, we have to create the PHP page, send cb.php. Here is this. In this, first we have created the HTML part. Okay, so it is just the simple header which contains title. Then in the body we have written your product choices are. Now we have to print what are the chosen product which are selected by the user. So here is the coding for this. We have to start the PHP tag and we will write our code within this. Okay, so this is the coding which takes and get the value from the checkbox, and we can use it. First we are using if to check whether the input is empty or not, whether the user has selected checkbox or not. If it is, for this we have to use empty function, empty dollar post. Dollar post for what? Because dollar post is a global variable which gets the value of the post method via form. So dollar post, and within this we have written products because we have given their name products for the checkbox. So is it empty? If it is empty, then what will happen? It will, it returns true, and then we have, what we have done, we have negated here, so it becomes negative. So if it is empty, then this if will not call. and this else will be called. In this we have written none, so it will just print the none. And if it is not empty, then what will happen? We have to print the names. How we will get the names? As the checkbox returns array, because we have given their name as like a array, so we can use for each. Okay, so now we are going to use for each to print the value. Here is this for each dollar post products. Dollar post products is an array, and we have to use each value as the dollar value. Okay, so one by one every element will be saved in the dollar value, and we will print dollar value by using echo state. Very simple thing. We have taken we have used the checkbox and get it value like a array and print it using the for each loop. So to take and view this output, we have to save this. I have already saved this. Now run the local host and then use the path which you have given to save this. Here, this is our HTML page. So we have given. Now I am going to select printer and computer. So what it will return? Submit form. Yes, your product choice are printer and computer. Okay, so this is how you can get the checkbox value and print and use this. Okay, so now let us, you should also practice it. Thank you very much.